What's up guys, this is Jigs Crypto and welcome to my channel. We will have our daily crypto price update and let's take a look at CoinMarketCap. Looking at Bitcoin, it is currently at 436 trillion. For Ethereum, it is currently at 197 trillion. Let's take a look at the top 20 market cap for today. Number 1 is Bitcoin, second Ethereum, Tether USDT, USDC, BNB, Binance USD or BUSD, XRP, Cardano ADA, Solana Sol. Number 10 is Dogecoin, 11 Polkadot, and then DAI, Polygon, MATIC, Avalanche or AVAX, Shiba Inu, Tron, Uniswap Uni, Wrap Bitcoin, Ethereum Classic ETC, and number 20 is Unised Leo. Now let's take a look at the top 3 changes within the 24 hours. Number 1 is Lido DAO LDO with 22% the last 24 hours. Second is Optimism OP with 20%. And then third is Synthetics SNX with 13%. Now let's take a look at the top 3 changes within 7 days. So we have Optimism OP with 99%, Oasis Network or Rose with 74%, and number 3 is Yearn Finance Wi-Fi with 60%. Let's see Bitcoin in the last 24 hours. So currently at this recording, it is currently at $22,867.61. In the last 24 hours changes, lowest is $22,710.08, while the highest is $23,415.04. Now let's go to Ethereum. As of recording, it is $1,617.34. Lowest is $1,567.85. And the highest is $1,672.60. Let's go to Cardano. As of recording, it is around 50 cents. The lowest is 49 cents and the highest is 50 cents. For Polygon or MATIC, as of recording, it is around 88 cents. 24-hour changes, lowest is 85 cents, while the highest is 90 cents. Now for XRP as of recording, it is currently at 36 cents. Lowest is 36 cents, while the highest is 37 cents. And for Avalanche or AVAX, as of recording, it is currently at $23.09. Lowest is $22.30, and the highest is $23.87. And lastly, for Solana or Sol, it is around $38.52. 24-hour changes, lowest is 38 cents and $38.28, and highest is $42.33. So it's a bit down right now because of the current news of the Solana hacking. So tune in for my next video to be able to see the news regarding that hacking for Solana. And that's it. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe and hit the notification bell to get updated with the latest videos. And this is Jigs Crypto signing out.